ladies and gentlemen, I have the pleasure of introducing to you one of the most underrated ICT students. Hailing from the world of music and bringing his rhythm to the charts, get ready for the one and only, the underdog. Please welcome Nasty Nash.
Welcome to the TikToks podcast.
All right, peeps. What's crack-a-lacking? What's good? Today, it's gonna be a short. It's gonna be a short live right now. I'll be back live for Asia session, but I just wanted to go live before the news. I wanted to. Oh, I took a nice trade today. 1,500, 8,000, 1,586 with 60. One of my best trades with this account. I'm gonna show you the trade that I took and why I took it. The reason behind it is today was you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful with the trades. FOMC in 7 minutes. That's why I'm live. I might take a trade and gamble it with my practice account. I do not recommend that you guys do this. Okay, it's gonna be with my practice account. Okay, so why I took this trade without even thinking? ES created a fair value gap. NQ failed to go lower below this sell side liquidity. We created an SMT and then I just got in. I got in. And then I aimed for yesterday's high. Let me show you how the freak I charts and data show chart executions. Let me show you. There we go. I entered in here with 2 contracts. I got out of here with 2 contracts. That's it. It literally was, the trade was 33, 34, 36, 3 minutes. It was a very nice trade. I wish I took it with my real account, but because yesterday was a loss, I lost $300. I was like, let me build confidence. I realized, I was talking to my homie Q, I realized that if I only knew it before, I would have paid I would have paid that $300. In order for me to realize that my biggest problem is fear. I make a lot of mistakes trailing the stop loss. That's my biggest problem, fear. I cut the winning short and I trust the stop loss too much. So fear is my main problem. At least now I know it, so I can do something about it, which is the most important thing. You have to analyze yourself. And then, like, try to figure out what is the problem, pretty much. Okay, so we have news in 5 minutes. Well, it's not news, it's FOMC. So I don't know how the market is going to react. Because today was what I like to say, seek and destroy. What is seek and destroy? Seek for the liquidity on the upside, grab it, go to the downside, and grab the liquidity from there. So that's a seek and destroy. let me clean the chart a little because you gotta make it neat. Too much information in there can get overwhelming. So this is what I do when the price grab one of the liquidities, the point of interest that I'm aiming for. I don't delete it just yet. I just make it easier for the eye. ¿Ok? Lo hago más clarito y ya así pues no interfiere tanto. ¿Ok? Sigue ahí, still there, but it's not bothering my eye anymore. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This is a liquidity. So what are we doing here? ¿Qué estamos haciendo aquí? We got news in 3 minutes. We got news in 3 minutes. Main point of interest is this right here. Okay, we are in the middle of the range. Estamos en la mitad de rango. So el precio directamente puede ir para arriba o ir para abajo, because we don't know. We have the new day opening gap in here. Este es el gap que se creó ayer en la apertura. Mucha gente lo que hace, and I'm gonna show you. Mucha gente lo que hace es esto. Aquí ponen un stop buy y aquí ponen un stop sell para las noticias. If the price goes up, it get me into a long. If the price goes down, it get me into a short. And I already have my brackets set at a profit of 500, risking 200. So that's what a lot of people do. 1 minute for the FOMC. Like I say, FOMC are not like news per se, but definitely brings a lot of volatility. So, to be honest, because I'm bullish, I want to see the price just coming down to an area of interest, weak, and then go up. So we got the news. Right now in 1 minute. Let's see. Let's do this live. This is gambling. Please, I do not recommend that you guys do this at home, okay? Boom. There we go. You see, that's why I don't recommend it. I got in and it stopped me out right away. You see what I'm talking about? Yeah, how much was that? Oh, it didn't even activate it? What happened? I don't know. Whatever. But that was weird. Wait, let me see. I wanna see what happened in there. Oh yeah, I lost $100. It's fine. But you see what I'm talking about? So we grabbed the liquidity again, yesterday's high. And that's it. That's what a lot of people do. Could have had a bigger risk. I only lost $100. My risk was 200. That's a problem with the volatility. you know. Yeah, I literally don't recommend to do this at all, at all, at all. This is gambling. Okay, this is not like a strategy that you should implement into your system or anything like that. All right. But yeah, I just wanted to jump live to show you guys how news bring volatility into the market. Okay. So, folks, I'll be right back at the Asia opening. Okay. Because this, wow, this is beautiful, man. But there's no SMTs, no nothing, no nothing. There's nothing we can do with this, you know. We gotta be careful because today is a very choppy day. As I say, it's a seek and destroy. Look at this freaking wick, you know, stopping everybody out that was on a short to now maybe, you know, goes down towards the points of interest. Yeah, look at these candles. Like, you gotta have balls to trade this, or be crazy, or not know what you're doing, actually. No se sabe, no sabe qué es lo que estás haciendo y te puedes meter en en un trade ahí y te pierdes rápido. Pero anyway. Practicando paciencia. En mi cuenta perdí $300 y recuperé 100. Entré aquí cuando vi que nos llevamos esta liquidez. When we grab this liquidity, I open a loan in my real account and I got back a cheap away. I got back 100 from the $300 loss that I had yesterday. So I'm on a $200 loss today. Well, actually yesterday, you know, whack. This is whack. 2 days in a row losing. I was risking 200 to make 500, but you know, whatever. It's all good. It's Gucci. It's part of the game, right? Will you enter a short in here? You see what happened when you enter a short on FOMC. Let's see what happened. I'm risking 280 to make 600. Or I can just get out and that's it. I make 200. You see? That's a scalping right there. I'm leaving money on the table. Yes. Is this my style of trading? No. Should I take that with my real account? No. Why? Because the volatility that is happening here. I just wanted to show you that it can go either way, you know? This week, okay, I'm content. I make $300. That's good. But what if I stay in the trade? The market can reverse on me real quick. You know? So you gotta be careful. I would have been breaking even right now. But yeah, that's how you do it, man. Or that's how you don't do it, man. If you want to be alive. I bet that if I enter with my real account, I get stopped out. Because that's how the market works, you know? But nah, man, I need to practice patience. I need to practice psychology. I need to follow and stick to my rules. Allá, you saw it live. Tú lo acabas de ver como acabo de hacer 200 pesitos tranquilito haciendo un scalping rápido. That's all, folks. I come back on Asia. See you later, alligator.